So I got these OEM style dash cams for my Subarus. Let's go ahead and unbox them. We are officially at 1,632 subscribers as of this morning. I want to give a massive shout out to the crew for hitting that milestone. This is a really big packaging, by the way. Today I'm starting a brand new project focusing on the dashcam setup for both of my vehicles. The 2021 Subaru Outback base Gen 6 and the 2026 Subaru Trailseeker EV. I just got this one, I love it. Right now I'm dealing with a major headache because I'm running completely different brands of dashcams across my car. It makes the whole process incredibly cumbersome since I have to manage two different smartphone apps, learning two entirely separate user flows, fiddle with different settings, handle completely different camera adjustment processes. That's exactly why I'm upgrading and unifying the setups with both of my vehicles using custom factory-style dash cams from Mangoal. When you compare these to typical windshield cameras, the first thing you notice is the clean OEM-style design that matches the factory look perfectly and blends right into the rearview mirror housing. The best part is that these don't stick out like a sore thumb or clutter up the windshield like a traditional suction cap or adhesive hanging dash cameras. From a safety and legality standpoint, it's a huge upgrade because it doesn't obstruct your view at all, keeping you completely compliant in states with strict windshield mounting laws. By switching both cars over to Mangoal, I get one single ecosystem, one uniform user flow, and one clean look across the board. So let's get the geeky stuff, technical specs, and all that good stuff out of the way before we dive into these boxes. Even though these are two separate kits, they pack the exact same high-end internal hardware and technical performance. We're getting full 4K Ultra HD video here, upgraded with a large f1.8 aperture lens to deliver crisp, high-definition video at 2160p at 30 frames per second with precise color. They're powered by the Sony IMX335 Starvis sensor, which is an industry-leading piece of tech that provides a wider dynamic range and enhanced light sensitivity. The low light capability on these is excellent because it drastically reduces image noise and motion blur, ensuring crystal clear footage under low light night driving or high contrast daylight conditions. For everyday peace of mind, the seamless loop recording will automatically overwrite the oldest footage once the memory card is full, so you're never missing a clip. There's also a built-in G-sensor protection system that instantly detects a sudden collision or impact, immediately saving and locking the current video file to a secure folder so it can't be overwritten. To manage everything wirelessly, the high-speed Wi-Fi and Unified app delivers high-definition Wi-Fi for faster transfer speeds, allowing you to use a single, free, user-friendly smartphone app to view real-time video, download footage to your phone, transfer files to your PC, or share clips on social media. Let's break down the first kit, which is engineered for a perfectly integrated factory look across specific generations. The first unit is custom fit for the Subaru Outback Gen 5 from 2016 to 2019, as well as the Gen 6 from 2020 to 2025 model, covering trims like 2.5 Limited, 2.5 Premium, 3.6R Limited, and more. Let's go ahead and cut this open. As we unbox the Outback packaging one by one, you can see exactly what comes included in the box. I'm gonna go ahead and open this. It's a very nice packaging, by the way. Okay, it has a slide out little box. Let's go ahead and slide this right out. We got some information on how to install. Very elaborate, you guys. Overhead console disassembly and installation, reserve connection ports. Wow, very impressive. I didn't get any of these with my other dash cams. When there's an app connection problem, please refer to following instructions to solve it. Awesome, bunch of QR codes for you to download to your iPhones, iOS 18 or above, or let's see if it's for Android as well. Yeah, of course it's for Android as well. Here's a bigger user manual. I highly recommend you guys to read this user manual. There are a couple of zip ties in there. I mean, come on, you can get as many zip ties you want for $3 these days, but this is a cool touch. Okay, you got this awesome book. You know, when it comes to these user manuals, I think lately manufacturers are doing a great job. Besides that, we get a rear camera. Well, I forgot to tell you, both of these cameras are front and rear camera package. You can also buy them, like if you're buying it for a truck or something, you can only buy it for the front camera as well. But I choose to have both sides of the cameras. This is the 1080p rear camera. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Wow, plenty of cord. For sure. Here's some sticky for your rear window. They have one already applied. This is like a just in case if you have to remove and do it again. The plug to the rear camera is something like this, that OEM style. It's not Type-C or anything. It's also removable, so you can actually do your wiring and then put this on the right spot. You don't have to dangle this huge cable with it. And then here's the OEM style housing, a trim removal tool, cables for the Y connections. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to mess with your fuse box, none of that stuff. You get all the good stuff. And look at it. They even provide 128 gigabytes, a micro SD card specifically designed to work with this particular dash cam, which is really cool. And look at this, just like an OEM style plugs and wiring. This is all going to be hidden underneath of the housing. Incredibly well designed. There's some attachment points. This is going to go into a 2021 Outback. They have their specifically designed OEM look mounting, and here's a supplementary 3M sticker in case this one wears out or something happens. I'm very impressed. I can't wait for my installation video so I can show you guys how this one goes into the 21 Outback. What else we got here? GPS module installation, position diagram. Wow. They also have a separate GPS module that you actually put it on your vehicle for the perfect GPS signal. And here's the main attraction. Boom. Here's the camera, you guys. I mean, in the camera, you simply have obviously the camera in the front. That Y-shaped piece looked like a horseshoe. It simply goes onto your windshield on this particular car. 21 Outback, the camera locks straight into this. Incredibly thoughtful. And here's the wiring to do everything. And remember, all this wiring is going to be hidden, so you don't need to worry about that. There are two buttons underneath, no screen, nothing. You got to do all that stuff through your smartphone app. And here's the micro SD slot on the right. And here's the camera. Incredibly nice design. It looks very OEM, blends right into your vehicle. It doesn't stick out like a sore thumb. That's what I'm going after. And then of course the best part, 21 Outback and 26 Trailseeker EV, they're both gonna have the same unified look, same unified app, same unified settings, user flow, so I don't need to worry about learning everything over and over again, which is great. And on top of it, they're both 4K, so that's also something to think about. All right, nothing else in the box. Very, very impressive. I'm gonna go ahead and put these back right here like this for now. So just to reiterate, inside this box, we simply get the OEM look 4K dash cam, a rear camera with cable, a GPS module, 128 gigabytes micro SD card, of course a user manual, a reading light plug Y adapter, which is the key to clean the tool-free power splice, along with a trim removal tool and two mounting straps, which happens to be two zip ties. If you run out of these, you can always go grab a 100-pack for $3 from your local hardware store. Additionally, they have the sheets printed out, all color, very, very explanatory, large, with QR codes and everything to install the app to your phone and how to install it to your vehicle. I think this whole package is very thoughtfully designed. So let's go ahead and move on to the 26 Trailseeker camera, which also fits to Solterra. I'm gonna go over all that with you in a second. This one is custom fit for the electric vehicle vehicle side of our project. This model is designed for Subaru Solterra from model years 2023, 24, 25, and 26, covering the limited, premium, and touring trim. I want to highlight that this is also compatible with our 2026 Subaru Trailseeker EV, and mine happens to be the premium trim, because even though it's technically listed for Solterra, it should fit the Trailseeker perfectly for the exact same seamless integration. Just like the first setup, this one snaps directly behind the rearview mirror with no messy wiring exposed and zero complicated rewiring required. So let me go ahead and open this with my giant overkill outdoor knife. By the way, if you're curious, this is a Razor HTX knife. It works awesome. The best part is you can change the blades on this knife. It's not a fixed blade. All right, here we go. I go ahead and toss this away. Exact same style packaging. I love the packaging of Mangoal. Let me go ahead and, it's like opening a Christmas box. All right, again, we get these papers just like the one in the Outback we received. It tells you details of everything. You know, one thing in the middle of the install, you don't know what to do, or you're stuck with something and you have nothing to refer to. So, oh my God, that happened to me so many times in the past. So this is very thoughtful. Again, we have the white cable with the trim removal tool, 128 gig micro SD card specifically designed for these cameras. So don't lose that micro SD card, you guys. Of course, you can use other dashcam compatible micro SD card, meaning like you should be able to over and over and over record on top of it without hurting the micro SD card. They're specifically designed. So this particular one is just like that. A rear view camera, again, the GPS unit, the user manual specific to this model, 2 zip ties, and this is the, of course, larger because the Solterra or the Trailseeker have a larger module. This is where your rear view mirror comes out of from, just like the original OEM you have there. And here's the camera. And here are 2 buttons, no screen, nothing. And of course on the side, we got our micro SD port. This is very nice. I'm super impressed with this, you guys. I mean, look at the quality of the clips and everything. And then the cables, super nice. All right, so the next step for this project is getting both of these units installed in the car so we can see how that tool-free layout actually plays out in real life. If you like this content and want to see how this dashcam unification project turns out, please like and share this video on your social media to support the channel. Consider subscribing if you haven't joined the crew yet. This way you can track the full installation and testing process at my next video. Simply, I'm gonna have it installed to my 2021 Subaru Outback on my next video. And the following video, I'm gonna go ahead and install it to my 2026 Subaru Trailseeker Premium EV. So drop a comment down below and let me know, are you running a unified dashcam ecosystem in your vehicles, or you're currently stuck juggling different apps and steps like I was? Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next Teos Take video. Have a great day.